Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So I am about to make some cheesecake. I have this idea out of my mind, and then I'm trying it. I have done it one time, and it failed. I put butter, I put cream. It becomes too fat. So this time I want to make a difference. So this is the yogurt, and I drained it. So this is Greek yogurt. I will need Greek yogurt. I will need sugar. I will need cornstarch. I will need egg yolk and biscuit. Now let's get started. First, I will blend the biscuit, and we will take a look at the tool. I will use this tray to bake it. Vanilla extract, forgot to mention. I will need this blender to blend the cookie. I will need this blender to whip the yogurt, and that's it. Let's start. This will be very, very, very noisy. I think this is enough. This will be very, very noisy. That is good. This way you can finish your unwanted cookies. Sometimes these are the cookies you do not want. Yes, I have a tool for it. How fancy. And I have seen people put butter on it. And last time I put butter becomes too fat, so I will not put butter. And drained yogurt. Only drained yogurt is fat enough. And we will put in sugar, egg yolk. Oh, that's a little bit too. Vanilla extract, sugar, this you can go. we try to be a little bit clean this time. Battle of the eggs. It seems a little bit one. I should use a larger bottle. Let's see. 2. 3. Yeah, I should use a much larger bottle. Now let's get started. First, will be very, very noisy. Okay, I think I will not get myself into trouble. I do not want to risk it. So I am putting into smaller bottle, into a larger bottle right here, right now. Okay. This will be very, very, very noisy. Okay, I will need to put in cornstarch a little bit later, okay? It is very well blended. Now I put in cornstarch, a big heap table of cornstarch, and that is sufficient. That is it. Okay, now I put this in the pan. I did not put any butter, chemise. I didn't do it. I was getting a lot of laugh from my family because I didn't chemise. Chemise is a French word. It's put a layer of butter and then put a layer of flour, shake it. So it's kind of putting a cloth on it, so it will not get into the side of it. But I will just eat it like this. So I do not really think I need that. Oh, some of this is not getting so well blended. Now let's take a look how it turns out. Oh, that's not the best blending. So next time when you do it, I cannot teach you the best way of doing it, but I can at least tell you what to avoid. Don't you think so? There is merit, there is a virtue in doing something, merit of doing something right and doing something wrong, right? Okay, that's it. We shake it a little bit, and when it's getting hot, it will naturally raise up. I think if I do this, my family can laugh at me forever and say that I didn't chemise. I didn't put a layer of butter on it. Anyway, so let the oven to be to get heat up, and usually the oven, they say at 350 degree, and I feel my oven is strong, or I do not need that strong. I put 320 degree. Okay, so we put into the oven. See you later, alligator, 30 minutes. Okay, let's take a look at it. This is 15 minutes later. Not yet there. Okay, this is good. Take a look. It's a little bit like souffle. Okay. And that's a couple of hours later. And one of the trick, I stop the fire and do not take it out. Okay, I move it up. Okay, hello dear friends. Let's take a look. This is around 2 hours later when I turn off the fire. I turn off the fire and do not take it out, so that the temperature lower by itself slowly, and still there is some of this the souffle gets down. You can see some crack, and I do not know yet how to do it. I think I didn't chemise. I didn't put butter and flour on it so that it stick to the side. But in any case, we can give it a try and see how it looks inside. Maybe next time I will do it, but it's just not in my blood to follow a recipe. I have to try it by myself. I am sorry for it, for my character. Okay, we will cut like this. You can take a look. Do not know whether it is good or not. This is quite a gouchon cutting. And a gouchon. So this is the cheesecake. Okay, I put it here. I'm quite happy with the texture and consistency of it. Let me taste it. It's more like a Japanese jiggery cheesecake instead of New York cheesecake. Don't you think so? Now I will try it. Okay. And the bottom, it was just a normal tea cookie and quite inexpensive. One of the least expensive cookie you can see, and because of the cooking, it becomes a little bit browned, and in total, it took me around 40 minutes to bake it, and stop the fire another 20 minutes, so the heat gets into it slowly. I am quite happy, frankly, with the appearance. It's not very sweet, and it's actually very good. I am happy. I'm happy that there is no butter, no cream, and it feels more pure. Buon appetito!